a weird week. It's really tough out here. Just living. If TikTok has taught me one thing, I'm literally like every other girl on this planet, and I stand by what I said. A lot has changed in my life since January 2022. I'm a fighter. I'm just crazy. Currently, not really. Why am I kind of nervous? I definitely feel like I got to know myself better. Hi guys, I'm gonna be 100% honest. I was not going to vlog today. I was actually going to skip Vlogmas Day 7. Happy Vlogmas Day 7, by the way. I had watched the basically unfiltered episode for this week where they had taken the enneagram test. I had not taken the enneagram test in quite a long time. I don't even remember the last time I had taken the enneagram test. Should we see? The last time I had taken the enneagram test was January 2022. A lot has changed in my life since January 2022, so I thought it could be fun to do it again. I have my laptop with me, and this is the Truity Enneagram Personality Test. This is the same one that they took on the podcast, so I thought this one was a good one. I want to say that I was a 1 wing 2, but I thought it could be fun to do it together. This to me is the best personality test out there. I've done a lot. They used to make us do these in high school, civics and careers, I think was the class that we did them in, and I feel like I have changed as a person since 2022. First of all, I graduated university since then. I started a new job. Let's take the Enneagram test together. They give you a statement and you have to rate it. It is important to me that other people like me. Unfortunately, that's a fact. It is important to me to achieve great things, 100%. I have a sense that other people will never truly understand me. Wow, this is getting deep. I am prepared for any disaster. I used to be. I don't think I am now. I see the positive in every situation. No, I in fact see the opposite. I am concerned about security more than anything. Yes, considering every time I go to my car, I have to look under my car to see if anyone is there. And then when I get in my car, I quickly lock the door and whip my head around and to make sure no one is sitting in my back seat. I like to feel that I am an important person in my social groups. I mean, fair. I have always felt different from other people. If TikTok has taught me one thing, I'm literally like every other girl on this planet, and I stand by what I said. I stand up for what I believe in, even if it upsets other people. Yeah, I'm a fighter. I am an upbeat person. I'm just crazy. I have a good sense of what my future holds. Currently, not really. Self-improvement is a major interest of mine. I didn't realize that was the last question. Okay, I'm gonna click get my results. Why am I kind of nervous? I think the last time I did it in 2022, I was a 1 wing 2. I'm a 6? Wait a minute. So this is what it looks like, and it looks like I'm a 6 wing 5. Okay, my laptop died, but we're back. Let's discuss the Enneagram type 6, which is called the skeptic. I am a 6 wing 5. The Enneagram type 6 is known as the skeptic because they seek to gain security and avoid risk. 6s work hard to protect their colleagues, friends, and loved ones by staying alert and vigilant, anticipating and preparing for what could go wrong. Key personality traits of the 6: strong identification with a social group, organized and well-liked, good at managing finances. Okay. Excellent team player, belongs to a tight-knit group of friends, clear communicators, detail-oriented and precise. 6s are defined by their desire for safety and security. They seek to anticipate and avoid risk and to ally themselves with trustworthy authority figures and institutions. 6s are alert and vigilant, always thinking several steps ahead to anticipate and prepare for what could go wrong. 6s fear being unprepared and unable to defend themselves from danger. 6s are dedicated and responsible individuals who are keen on belonging to a social group and finding their fit in the world. 6s show up in 2 different ways. They can either be phobic or counterphobic, which deals with their nervous energy and how it presents itself to the outer world. Phobic 6s deliberately move away from the sources of fear and tend to fly under the radar. They're open and expressive about vulnerabilities and weaknesses so others can understand their situation and line of thought. This is their prime defense mechanism to avoid being manipulated. On the other hand, counterphobic 6s possess a high-strung, irrational fear of fear itself. They try to keep up an image of independence on the surface, a tough exterior to shield their persistent internal uncertainty. Okay, I fear I am a counterphobic 6. The 6 may have grown up in an unsafe environment, had overprotective guardians, or experienced a traumatic event that shaped their worldview. Considering I'm the youngest sibling, that could make sense. A healthy 6 is a person you want to be on your side. They are loyal, trustworthy, honest, and protective. When less healthy, the 6 can get in the habit of a fear-based decision-making and creating self-fulfilling prophecies. So 6 6 wing 5 types are 6s that share characteristics of type 5. 6 wing 5s are generally more independent and introverted than 6s. They're less likely to rely on and trust others and prefer to keep to themselves. When they are healthy, 6s are caring, generous, and thoughtful team players who move colleagues and friends forward in a positive direction. They're valuable and hardworking employees who take great pride in serving an organization. During times of stress, they know how to handle and diffuse the nerves with ease. They have a tendency to overanalyze messages or information as it comes, which further fuels their anxiety and leads to mixed signals. This confuses others as the whole thing winds up being a vicious cycle of worry. When they're unhealthy, 6s become extremely paranoid and suspicious of everything and everyone in their path. I fear that is true. When exasperated and fed up, 6 will project their insecurities onto others and claim they've done something when it is all brewed up and imagined from the beginning. 6s also must learn that people will let them down sometimes, but that does not mean they can never be trusted. 6s must learn that life is even more of a curious adventure when you learn to take some things in stride. I feel like I'm a little uncomfortable, and I remember hearing that if you're uncomfortable with the number that you get on the enneagram type personality thing, then it probably is your number, and I'm a little uncomfortable. I feel like I'm very called out right now. I definitely feel like I got to know myself better. I highly recommend that you guys take this test, even have like your friends, your family take the test. Let me know what your personality type, what your enneagram type is. This was a little bit different for Vlogmas day 7. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Come back tomorrow for Vlogmas day 8. Tomorrow it will be exactly a week into Vlogmas. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. If you are, please let me know, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!